Le blianta in those, the trochra box appeal has been a staple in Irish homes during Lent, and with good reason.
By donating, you're giving a lifeline to Heilig Timple na Crina who are facing displacement, conflict and poverty.
Táimid ar nós Uamaharo in Rwanda. Uamaharo is carrying the weight of 3 generations, a máthair, a hinian agus a nacht.
Unfortunately, the next storm could destroy everything she has. Earning just 60 cents a day working on the land, Uamaharo is trying her best to put food on the table dá páistí agus iad de cuineáil ar scoil. Ach níl.
Tá an teige tiit mas a chéile, ní le an eileiseige agus le gachstarim déach an rudderfad tiit mas a chéile.
This is not unusual for families across Rwanda where storms are striking more severely, faster and more often.
Please donate to the Trochra Box Appeal at Lent today to help Uamaharo rebuild her life and restore a sense of hope for the future.
Take with trochra.org and you've chun tú sa hort.
Even the smallest donation can make a big difference. Gur míle maith. Steve Exfotro, how to Gael, Lum Sathairn.
Agus Lum Louise.
Louise. Conas mar tá tú nuv.
Tá mé tríochta Doireann héist ar deire seachtainna mór I gcurcaigh.
Jesus Christ, was there any need? The round at one stage, I went up Louise Gideon bar, and the round at one stage was cheannig she 8 duch a gur an cólúder and then 8 shots of tequila.
Yes, because, right, n-oíche tequila dolan on Tanam Nu and Mansion. I have never given a hail, right? Met a woman, nor I thought you Jane of rounds, you know, August, nor a dull table like, okay, what are you drinking? And whatever, I'm having a pint, I'm having a gin and tonic, I'm having this. Dorchi, I'll have a shot of tequila. And I was like, okay. I was like, yes, queen.
Our kind of woman.
5 air bib. But I was like, sure, it'd be awful rude to let her do a shot of tequila on her own. So I had to go and get a tray. The gachéine.
Well, fair play. I had n-oíche dolan gan áras about our Dé Sathairn sa Cork Opera House, scríór, úntach, fachtasór, agus just duine anahimúil agus éirimúil agus úntach.
Agus úntach all round Leach, let me tell you.
Polylinguist. She's fucking 6 languages, I'm telling you.
6 languages, fluent.
Yeah, the devil works hard. n-oíche dolan works harder, and her verb conjunctions,
yeah.
Yeah, verb conjunctions.
Her verb conjunctions. But I tell you what, I was just... It was the fucking crack, right? Okay, we come down with the round of tequila, and you know what I admire in a person, right? Is when there's no shyness around taking a drink that's offered to you, right?
Oh yeah,
and I
love.
think agus tú ag dul n-oíche, right? And I get it, like we all get hungover. You see a shot coming, you're like, oh Jesus, no, I couldn't touch that. I only like Jaeger bombs. I only like baby Guinness.
Yeah, Kevin.
Whatever. She fucking Rayleigh. Yeah, she picked up the shot, and if she did, lads, when the shots were handed out, the tequilas went around, right? Was there 10 in our company, right? Yeah. A group of the fair Limney, actually, shout out to the Limerick men, the rowers,
of course,
who also got in on the action. The n-oíche suas, tequila in hand, and fully from start to finish, Hanshi Bella Ciao in Italian. Bella Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Yeah, no, I'd
phenomenal.
Say, like the Cork City, I'd never seen the likes of it. I'd say we were in Sun Tavamo in the Cashmans, and it was just Hogsha Anna to Spach Shach Choluder,
and it was, do you know what it was for us, right? It was funny how by extension the group kept growing as she continued to sing.
Oh yeah, do
you know, the lyric she had like n-oíche, shout out to you because it was so A1, and the rowers like Bella Ciao.
It was mad for road.
It was Anava.
And then the funniest is that then the whole lot chumar Strachagur and the Duchna all, and there's like just on the corner like Cashman's maha Ainge Trish Veha Cashman's Gurkuk, just a normal bar, like, you know, medium to small size pub. And thaobh eile done counter, there is a man who was I could only describe him as somebody who was probably fit for nearly to be time to draw the old age pension, right? And he was up on the decks fucking DJing out the door, and then we met Fioruda. We were like, look at this. He looked very cranky. Now he was a great DJ. The fucking ABBA hits were flying out like crowd pleasers. But Fí Margari being like, I'm telling you, Carbro Carlon, eat your heart out here now.
The boiler room set.
Yeah. Agus chiadra deile vi so chumar suschigan son or chumische suschigan son as vi safiru a vetting request and he's like, I don't do requests. And I was like, perfect. Well, look, that was it. Like, just
Also,
back
like,
away.
You millennial, you. What were you going to request?
Oh, sure, I didn't know. I just wanted to talk to him. I was like, hey, and Farshaw, he seems like a character, fucking spinning the decks.
Yeah.
You know,
Classic there in her
on the free travel.
Her Lurg job.
Our
She mad get out of job. I'll sort the music here. I know, but overall, like, Dúirt Misha, and I've been honest, strict leis, I was like, no, now they're in. Níl Misha ag dul
Oh, yeah, she was all this.
I'm finished with the boozing.
Yeah.
With Tráthnónaí.
Boozing, bloody well boozing.
And you know you're in a bad state of affairs when the man who's running the sound for your show, shout out Ralph, is singing that song.
Yeah. What do you think I've been doing all day? Look, n-éisteoirí Kirkig is Jesus. I think Muramang Iconi Imlaclia, I would be living in Cork City. Yeah, as Brad and Kirkig. It's fucking great.
It's popping off.
Yeah.
And actually, shout out eile spaisteoireacht that we cannot leave out. Feile. I don't know your surname, Feile.
Feile, she doesn't need one.
A great
Feile.
young woman. She's like Madonna.
Yeah.
She just needs one name.
She just needs one name, yeah.
Feile Kirky, anyway. She was the woman of About Town.
She was.
Fehadónar they into UCC. And to say she made a few phone calls, pulled a few strings.
That's right.
There
totally
wasn't a bar
forgot
that
about
wouldn't have let us in.
Yeah, no, we were going looking for a late drink and Visha Aníos, and she got, not only did she make a few phone calls and get us in to Arthur Main's, right? Agus vi couple of eile going and something Arthur Main's. She also 2:10 said, girls, you need a cheese board.
A cheese board.
She was scooting around. We'd sort that out.
No bother.
Now, I mean, for a finish, Visco old and then chuigna clugna raig. So near me really kinta cadaví tarlu. So then I chumishavala better
Well,
work lady meeks. And so I don't know if the cheese board appeared or what happened.
Ever
But
came.
anyway, fair juice to her Feile. Now,
Oh my
man.
God, Feile, if you're ever a Gurkha and anyone needs a woman to get a job
get
done,
on to her.
Doireann,
1-800 Feile. Yeah.
she was a rouser fun. But actually, the Vishig Ober is an opera house, and she said that she was working at the bar in the opera house, and she never cleaned the bar as fast to come in and watch the show. So she was the slua ag a here how come out. But Gurmila Maga to gach in a Vian come out. We had
Oh my God.
great show, great night.
show.
Very cool venue.
Yeah, very cool venue. Real pinch me moment. Lev din of gigs Cork Opera House.
Yeah.
I mean, Visha class. Vi Tráthnónaí also vi their son really cool. So you might see them again. Our Chiad show be eile lads. You're just gonna have to keep your eyes peeled. But Hannah to her nash chutain, chut to her nash galimnach.
Come here, Ash Glimnoch. No, Tom Trick then of like I'm a cranky bitch today. There's no denying it.
That's
As in, I
alright.
did not want to come in here. I was like, no, couldn't
Well,
leave that
perfect.
there.
Well, that's
See
exactly
Doireann
what
again.
the story you want to hear. That's exactly.
No.
Well,
But you know, actually, on Tain Rod, and I will say this, maybe a lot of people are feeling like this. With the clocks, you know the way you lose the hour in the bed?
yeah.
But
Oh
then
yeah.
I'll
You
tell
jet
you.
lagged.
No, well, maybe that too. And you could be in the absolute horrors, but this is my little fix for anyone that needs it on Tácht Show.
Okay, you tell
Go
us
to your phone's weather app or time app and scroll to sunset. Sunset is now a hock the clock.
Yay!
And it just, you know.
Oh, it's like unbelievable. Check so like well the negative exorcism, you know, like the me sauce if we are and I'm like what's going on? I'm like it's the sunlight.
It is.
You know?
And do you know, and Rod Ella is like if you're a gobber, so we record this podcast in the afternoon and the evening time, and you know there's nothing níos dachar no ag dul gobber agus sé dúirchar madan, and then you're tachtháile and it's dúircha reached.
Yes.
So there's a nice little pep in the step
No,
to be skipping
tá
out
sé
of work
duchreite.
and a few hours of brightness left in the
Yeah,
evening.
no.
Do you know what I mean?
Oh my God, reclaim the hours
Yeah.
of 5 to 9. 5 to, oh my God, it's going to be so nice. Large de henya clog, you know, a fire
I love it.
Oh,
This is why, and all, it's why, you know, I'm such a summer baby when the sky is like blue in the height of July coming into August.
Oh my God, are
and
you
it doesn't
Leo?
go dark at all.
Are you Leo?
Did you know?
Sorry, it's been at least 6 weeks since you've
Has it?
told us you're a Leo.
So then you know I'm off form for taking me
she's
that
off.
long.
She's
I'm off.
she's the fucking lion roaring here in the corner
line
now.
is roaring.
Torchmach.
Well, I have another good one for you there.
Okay, go on.
Have you ever heard of the borrowed days?
No.
No, or
Borrowed
an Bo Riavuk?
An Bo, well, chula trach there an Bo Riavach,
Yeah.
but I don't know Cadé and
Well, a scale or
Shiel.
inch good.
No.
So this apparently, I was fucking good on about the ghrian stretch on the radio today, right?
Okay.
And all of these Sligo listeners were getting in touch about these. They called them the Revuk days, right? And I was like, the Revuk days, real Englishy. They were texting this in, the borrowed days, right? Yeah. So it just so happened that the Kerry Cowboy was up in Dublin, and I actually was like, Shane, what's all this about? And he was like, well, let me tell you. So actually, the dog Shay DM, but this is in Maryland now, because I played it on the radio already today. But the whole idea of borrowed days is that there are days at the end of March, okay, that get really cold. The weather, there's a real cold spell.
Oh, yeah.
And there are days that March has borrowed from April, and it's all because the month wanted to kill a cocky cow. Okay?
Okay.
So here, will I give you the scale in 5 seconds or is it the
go on,
cowboy?
go for it.
Okay, here we go.
Hello,
Oh, sorry, that's me talking to
Louise dishing her dirt. Shana Silva.
Imagine if I'd...
yeah, oh my God, such and such a fucking cunt.
Yeah. So we'll pick that up. So, Shane O'Sullivan, aka the cowboy.
Constata Louise, down in Kerry we call that Leihantha na Bórí a Bhí, the days of the striped cow. And that's when March couldn't kill this very arrogant striped cow. So decided to borrow a few days from April, make the worst weather possible, and succeeded in killing the cow. Sad one, but interesting.
No, I'll tell you, a dacker buchant chanúint láidir tíorí.
The cow.
Oh, the cow.
But January, nach stimul and ruddy.
Anna himul.
So the little ceacht is that we can't get carried away with ourselves because the summer ain't here yet.
Jesus, ná habre sin lum, tá mi just trééis se bheith buint sauce of us.
What did you call a day, agus ag fásníos, where you'd go out if it was like a sunny day in March and you'd get ahead of yourself and go out in a t-shirt? Did you ever call that a pet day?
No.
No?
What?
No. So it would be like a pet day. You'd get a chill and you get sick if you went out and you rev like a rohan the earth.
Okay.
Because you'd been like, you'd have, you ever heard of that?
No.
Anyway, there you go.
There you go. Okay, aníos. I guess Cara is rare.
Is gum.
I know.
Eat to a mockery a more rare.
I have more rare. No, this is mad. Fi me gemsi all ócáid in Vicar Street, right? And it's sure to hand fachtas agus iad eileh fistrú ifigiúil isteach a gás sáinithe na Saláine. So if anybody ever heard of the Salins case, those were 3 men were wrongly convicted for a train robbery that the IRA did. Basically they were stitched up. It was a total frame up. And the state has never apologised. The whole thing. It's absolutely insane. There's loads of really, really good podcasts about it. Belfast Telegraph did a 2-parter, and I think RTE also did a radio doc. But it's mad, like these miscarriages of justice. Like we heard about all these things that happened in England where innocent people were stitched up for crimes committed by the IRA. But to think that it would happen here in Ireland, and that's still in 2026. They won't, the government won't apologise. But anyway, it's just the acts there are unreal. It's Christy Moore, Damien Dempsey, Paula Meehan, Theo Dorgan, Pauline Scanlon, and Keela. Like it was just Anna Ihe Own. So I'm a high as a kite now coming back after that. Like they're handy just team player kill fucking class. It's just búil and kill. It was brilliant. It was really, really good. Yeah, but you should definitely go and read more about the Salins frame up case, because it's a geez, you just, I don't know, sometimes we forget that things like that can happen in Ireland as well.
Absolutely. No, Rosh Kamagat.
There you go. So Hannagrad co-raggers is Strachlú.
Yes.
Note on Saho Mick. Just a note to say, I thoroughly enjoyed the chlór Téama Star. I'm a history nerd and buff and advocate for keeping Star bio. One way Dina can expand their Sims to Star is to join their local history club or historical society. I am Cahirlach of my local common. New learnings and Carda Nua freshen. My top 5 Irish history personalities to go for coffee. Agus play in a verbrody. Nah.
Go on.
Micheál Quillan.
You.
Smash.
Up the rebels.
Harry Boland.
Anava.
Smash. Countess Markmish.
Right. Marry.
Marry. Dan Breen.
Probably marry, come on.
Smash, yeah. Now, I have...
Does Smash mean have sex with?
Right, yeah. Like to be like, oh, yes.
You'd rather...
Yeah.
Smash, okay.
Smash. Ernie O'Malley.
What is it? What's Smash, Marry, Kill? Smash or pass?
Smash or pass.
What should we smash them all? Would we?
I'd say we would. Constance, there you go.
Nice.
Well, there you go now. Hanna Grania Dagval, she said.
Who was ever cúig? Ernie O'Malley.
That's mo chana scríg sé loads of leabhar he, íonn sé annachud ibre tréis, bhí sé obviously buinte a cogan siir but tá couple of leabhar really, really más scríg de le me leabhar gur scríg sé cúnta stara ó gachainge bhí buinte le cogan
do you know what you could have with them during? What? You could have a group smash.
Their dream blunt rotation. Dream blunt rotation.
Should they honor
there you go. There you go now.
Fair play.
So
Gurmagad Mick.
She said, there you go, Gurmagad Mick. So anyway, now to say now going bugger rag. Oh, sorry, before I forget.
Niaka do Táchtar Grania.
Oh,
sorry, this is a very healing moment for ein former Munters that are sitting in this room. Grania says, Lar me faoi how to Gael fa cúig no made him a veil trail.
Ah, that's cute. That is cute.
Is it like that Sheold in a Rodcom? It was Colleen of is an old school lum, and she sent me a picture of like one of the books in the Irish curriculum, and it's a picture of me, and it's like Louise Cattle's an ambassador. So the Gael, I'm like, full circle moment.
Yeah.
When you're in the book.
There you go, girl.
I was like, how many former students are drawing moustaches or willies or dicks on your head,
My favourite thing is now Tommy didn't have shown a bio agus go dagan former students Louise Gadina Shona fucking it's always and sorry without fail like they pop up fucking everywhere. We always see your former students.
Thanks
it's gas. There you go.
I don't have them running away reporting.
I know, yeah. Shingadas. But a caint Shona bio, we have a show bio, an ambassador theatre ar an 8 lá me ar 4 lads. Get your tickets. Shiva her Nash Fein Droshin, so it's going to be the full team is tagging out and it's going to be very good crack. So be lang. Be a dagvalling a charda. We're at howtogael@gmail.com.
Le Vordal, right.
Time and a shachtana, so come on. And ready for this?
Tommy Raig.
How to be outdoorsy.
Sorry for anyone that missed that. Doireann just did like the blind boy thing. Do you know where he's like, we're going to hear an ad now and I'll just play
ocarina pause. Yeah.
Were you trying to do your own ocarina?
I was trying to do that. What, see, I'm only sorry I didn't have the spoons I bought you. That would have been good.
Thought she'd come actually. Do you reckon Have you
been practicing?
Every night.
Good woman.
Every
good
night
woman.
I do spooning.
Perfect.
Spooning and spooning. I spoon while I spoon. Now, let your imagination run wild.
Okay. Okay, so Lou, n-éisteoirí outdoorsy thing. Sorry, I'm cracking opening a bottle of 7-Up because I'm in the horrors.
Pull out either a prop or a treat for me.
No, it's a bottle of 7-Up. Sorry, I thought I'm actually on hungover, more hungover than I'm letting on.
N-éisteoirí outdoorsy me. Yeah, n-éisteoirí outdoorsy me. I would like to think I am. Céinach bhfuil mór an am cate gum outdoors faoi le cúpla míanús actually, because I feel the weather's been cat, it's been grey. The only outdoorsy I'm doing is when I force myself to go ghrian.
Yes.
And also I find like there isn't that much of an abundance of outdoorsy spaces around me that I can quickly access.
I have no interest now in hanging around these like curated like parks.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? No, it's not. I'm not getting my nature fix like a shin.
Which is funny when I look back at the month. I was thinking about this Armagin and I was like, God, okay, what outdoorsy bits have I done? Anar Fiara Morta. Anar Fiara, anytime I went to Walla Galimnoch, there's a big forest called Currachase that's right beside where my home house is. And every time I went back, I went for a big long walk in the forest. And my God, it's so great for your soul.
It's broad. Okay, are you
because it's on the doorstep.
Yeah, it's on the
doorstep.
But do you like? So are you a woman? A barlet the vet stig sa free shachas vet kush farige or shul?
Well, I suppose agus me a wale limnoch. That's just on rod atá dirach in akeling, and it's the shul that we'd all go on. But then it's funny actually. The best boat worlds gum somewhere atá Tig Gwyn and Ballyhaig as well. That's right. Aaron goes down on the beach.
This fucking property fucking tycoon over here.
Well, shout out to my parents, as I say, who bought their houses for 20 grand and a few raspberries. Like, the times were good.
When times were good.
When times were good. Or maybe not, I don't know. But so I think Will and Tallum, Branche, obviously there's nothing will ever beat the wildness of the rugged Atlantic coast.
The bother with the Atlantic or Narhantadul Shul Kush Farige is you have to, there's just, you don't know what to be wearing. Because you're too hot, then you're too cold, and then you're sweating, and then you're dragging things. So Sinead Tahan Road Nar Hantu Naklish and Farige. When you can get the temperature right, it's perfect.
You're laughing.
But Nar Hantu Shigs Frish, it's you know exactly what to wear and how to wear it and to wear.
Now, I do think I have a top tip on this, right?
Okay, go on.
From my days of being a PE teacher, and there's nothing like standing with a group of orienteering students in the pissing rain in a forest. You're trying to keep an eye on 30 students. There's wind going through you, the January wind that would cut you in 2 square halves. You have a girl with a nosebleed on one side of you, and there's someone else going into anaphylactic shock because she smelled peanuts on the other side, and then the rest are trying to do an orienteering competition, and you've the stress of that and trying to stay warm. I highly recommend, guys, a waterproof coat, strong hood that you can tie with the toggles so no gust of wind is taking it off your head. Looks don't matter here now. This is highly function over fashion.
Okay.
And it has to, this is the kicker, it has to cover your arse, and you need toggles down there as well so you can tighten it at the tie so it's not blowing up, there's no wind getting up. Once the core and the head are covered,
perfect. But there you go, guys. How to unite Ireland and all the pressing subjects being covered are how to get on the lanes of show, right? How to dress when you're going for a walk in the forest.
Or
fair play.
when
This
the
is
elements
cracking.
of Ireland come against you and you're outside.
Girl, she had catch the more in the hair,
Do you know what I
and
mean?
you know, Táimid just Táimid.
Because riddle me this, right?
Right, go on.
Are any of the girls with the Lululemon leggings, right, and a pair and a bomber jacket that's only insulating their upper half,
Yeah.
truly comfortable walking in the cold of Ireland?
No, do you know? But I think they probably you burn more calories when you're trying to keep yourself warm. They're probably delighted, Lohain.
I don't know.
Girl, Cheannaigh May, I got some Lululemons, Ledini.
And bad, they're well worth it.
They're
few more age, yeah.
Well, no, but they're so
I know,
exorbitantly
but the leggings
expensive. Yeah, and I think the sweaty betties are gohuntach, and you get great.
Don't stay up on me.
Oh, do they not? Oh, there you go. Anyway,
Really?
that flat arse.
Yeah, that's nice. I really don't. Oh my god, I think Lululemons are.
Cheannaigh May shorts, agus Cheannaigh May like
Yeah.
running top, and the Táimid agus Louise big in the running ear for her, and it's great. Can't
I've
beat.
been big in the running.
No, but sorry.
Darren.
I've been running in my running
10
ear for 2
minutes.
months. Girl, I did 10k on Friday. I did 10k on Friday. Delighted with myself. No, stop! Come on, don't. No.
She's herself and Charlene Motley
Myself and Charlene Maudsley. Yeah, perfect.
are big in the running.
Yeah.
They're running here.
Don't mix us up when you see us both in the Lululemon's gear. All right, just know, only one of us is riding a tip, man. I swore never again. That's it. I'm done. Game over. And that's the biggest difference between myself and Charlene Maudsley. It's our
Clontarf's promise.
Clontarf's prom is my Olympic village.
Clontarf's prom hates to see her coming in her Lululemons.
They're gonna have to repay.
Whatever about the great flood of January 2026 when they see dirt.
I know the wooden bridge. I'm wearing down the wooden bridge. They're gonna have to replace some of the planks. It's unbelievable.
Oh my God.
Unbelievable.
I know. No, fair play there. Tatu Jade of Rid more though. Come on, Tatu Clara.
Yeah, to my Clara for a half
Yeah.
marathon now, which is exciting. So myself and Charlene gonna head off and do that together. She's perfect. She's just jealous because Charlene is a new wag in my
I'm
life.
so jealous.
Yeah.
I am so jealous. Yeah, I'm just conscious as well of this camera angle and whatever laugh I'm doing on it, that there's at least 17 chins on this side. If we need to zoom in, now's the time. Jenny Jowls over here.
Jenny Giles, I tell you.
Okay.
I tell you who wouldn't be caught in a bad camera angle. Charlene Maudsley.
would
I'd say
not.
she doesn't have a bad camera
You see,
angle.
this
We've
is
that
it.
in common
The
as well.
camera couldn't catch her.
Camera.
Camera couldn't catch her. Anyway.
Oh, anyway, right, okay.
But do you know what you do now? We're in the Lululemons for the next one till we get a look at them.
Yeah,
We'll do an episode in our
Lululemons.
in our Lululemons.
Oh, perfect. Well, mine are very short now.
I'll bring in the coat that covers the arse, the hat, the whole lot.
Another bother with the
Yeah.
Lululemons or just general gym gear is because I've
Sorry, go
no,
on.
the bother is
Yeah.
the difference between when you're tanned and when you're not tanned wearing gym gear
Oh,
is
yeah.
like it's like night and day.
But sure, it's like wearing anything with no tan.
know,
and
it's
we're
mad.
baiting that drum a long time. We
Oh,
just need to.
anyway, I would need my this is
But buy the
snore
tan.
kind of me on
I
it,
guess
yeah.
wear the tan. do you
Yeah,
know,
yeah,
chin
no,
in,
life
and
is
drive
short.
along.
Life is short.
That's it.
Buy the Lululemons, buy the tan.
Buy the tan. Yeah.
Do the squats.
Yeah.
Run like hell. Run like hell.
Next
Okay,
year,
not
mark
all-
my words, right? So what is economy and on not the Great Run, what's it called, the VHI mini marathon?
Yes.
Well, if they're not doing a collaboration with How to Gael, Fearr, and we don't have three of us, Shiva running a Pramini chant
Yeah.
down the fucking
Yeah, no, you're
Phoenix
dead right.
Park.
Dead right. Yeah, CC, Joe Clark,
3
get onto that
marathon
now.
tickets. Let's go.
Let's go.
Half marathon maybe.
There you go.
10K.
Yeah, well, it's baby steps now.
Well, MC it.
Don't run away with yourself.
That's true.
Don't see what I did there now. Don't run away with yourself.
Anna.
Okay. Now, not only am I a keen runner,
Yeah.
not only a
Have you
keen
definitely
runner.
done 3 in the last few
You know what
months?
they say about me?
Yeah.
I'm a keen runner, a keen fiddle player,
Yeah.
a keen pint drinker.
Yeah.
And that's the 3 things about me.
That's
you know,
it.
you
They're
know,
the
that's
3
the
things
saying.
about
Yeah,
doing.
yeah.
That's her
They
bio.
often say it, yeah.
Her bio is like run, pint, play, repeat.
It's my mantra. It's just when I look at myself in the mirror, that's what I
That's
repeat to
it,
myself.
yeah.
Run, pint, play,
Play,
repeat.
repeat.
Yeah.
She's just out there, live, love, laugh,
Yeah.
run, pint, playing. Yeah.
Anyway, anyway, when I'm not doing that, I like to hike on my rest days.
Yeah.
I like to hike.
Fair old, yeah.
Of course, Tracks and Trails new series, Tusnú now again. Caitheamh,
Yeah.
exciting.
Sorry,
Exciting stuff.
when she's getting paid taxpayers' money, she'll up the mountain authority. That's true.
It is true.
No, we're paying for it. Tell us about Tracks Agus Trails.
No, Nisha plug or Tracks and Trails. Sorry, we're getting
What
bogged down.
Tour doing plugging them on.
Okay, well,
Who's on guest as far? Can't remember.
Oh, Kay and guest as far. She can catch. I loved Frances Black.
Oh yeah.
I loved Frances Black to my.
Would you be Cosula Nikhil? You'd have common ground.
Kay Eile, if you might have done fee really deadly. Sorry, Professor Luke O'Neill, Chama, he was great. Now, we galore Dina really, really maha. I have to say, it's hard to pick just one like the Anachud in a class.
Yeah.
But anyway. When I'm not tracking and trailing up around the sides of the mountains, Team Sathairn, what's your favourite hike, Ledunif? When's the last time you went on a hike?
The last hike. So near Visa Limnock, we used to often do my Lusa.
Yeah, I did my Lusa before, you know.
Yeah, we did it. That used to be an often Saturday morning jaunt with Closh girls. We'd be great to go up. My friend Rebecca is a great woman for gathering everyone and getting them up to hike. So we used to be great for that. Which that's Congrach Limnock. Like a hike, Ella. Like if I was back in Dingle, like maybe we do Mount Brandon, but that's been a while, like, you know.
Yeah, that's a great hike.
That's a great hike as well. And fresh in Machorda, Ulscoile, all the PE gang like would have been loved and now active meetups, so we'd have often done things. But it's been a while. It's been a while.
On Bantus now, chun pack lunch or that hiking.
Girl. On Ban Misha compact lunch or
no, she's
hiking.
not. Yeah, disaster.
She knows.
Okay, no. But I love. This is my favourite now.
Pocket, yeah.
Now, she's my favourite. Dulgar Siúlóireachta fada.
Yeah.
Siúlóireachta fada, and then after into the local pub for a bowl of chowder and a pint of Guinness.
Yeah.
That's the ideal Sunday.
Yeah, sure,
yeah.
Shingadas, but there's loads. We're lucky, like, if I'm Riva Limnock, I suppose you're nicely surrounded there. You can go to Tip very easily. Or there's loads of good walks. And stuff
there's
around.
loads.
There's actually, I don't know, there's a knock on. It is a knock. Called Knockfearna.
Oh, yeah.
And it's in Ballingarry. It's about 15 minutes from Declan's house, and that's a lovely little hike as well. So we should be doing that in Níos Minica. His aunt does it every day, God bless her, up and down. Yeah, isn't that great?
Wow.
Have it to be in. Yeah.
Jeez,
so
there you go.
Big Jane of Shin, but lots of people from the west of Limerick would nip up and down Knockfearna of a Sunday.
Okay, all of that. Okay, right, come on. Call me or campáil. Are you camping, girl?
Yeah.
Once a year, electric picnic.
Once a year electric picnic, and I camp in a camper van.
Yeah.
Tá sé déanta agam, I suppose, Harna blianta.
Yeah.
But on Rod, actually, tá scéal má agam, it was in Bhí mar ag tafa text cúpla bliain ó hin agus Donimar, maybe the most scenic camps I've ever stayed in, and usually I would throw the toys out of the pram if TV production says to me, Louise, you're in the tent for the night and we're filming you.
Oh yeah.
Fuck it, I'm not getting paid enough for this. But anyway, on our show we were on the banks of Loch Ness up in the Scottish Highlands.
Oh yeah.
And it's where it's beautiful. Oh my God, the most beautiful scenery you've ever seen in your life. And we stayed in these little pods.
Oh yeah.
And actually sé dochret a gaiir modern and opening up your little pod door onto the lake and looking out at this just complete vast scenery and nothing but so you're so irgulta.
Yeah.
Agus the Shikuchtach.
I'd love to do a big trip to Impeller in the Highlands, I'd say.
Phenomenal.
Yeah, love.
There's a beautiful village called Portree, and I tell you what, that's where you go for your chowder and a pint.
Oh, really?
And onto the boat and and there's all these little trov on, and they all have their Gael and the little names. It's Gahaling or Fag.
Oh yeah, no, Bavralam. Sinead Candace, there was 2 holidays that I really, really wanted to do. Team from the Highlands and Dulga Cuba.
Yeah.
And things aren't great there. We'll start with the
Highlands.
Start with the Highlands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coffee with Semriella and Campáil.
Too long of a tooth for that now, sorry.
Yeah.
Like I'll do a camper, like that camper van Compordach, that's really great. No, I was queen. What was the electric picnic that was an absolute washout? Fiv though, and vi sé sin real. Yeah, that just.
I just think, like, if you have to get down on your knees and crawl for something, it needs to be fairly fucking worth it.
Yeah, no.
Do you know what I mean? If I'm crawling into my bed.
Yeah, that was misery now, I have to say. Yeah. So.
But some people, like, get such a kick out of that.
I love it.
And they're like packing up their bits and utensils and pieces and.
Yeah, they like Muchara Shiva like loves camping. She loves, and like, this is so funny, right? This is how much she loves camping. So if you mar caint, mealler, nervy she coney hell in Canada, someone was say, or Yannick she on Glushdan show, and in the Glushdan there was like a pull-out picnic table or something. Yeah. So anyway, one to skip a few, we misses a fob against with an egg. Oh, Shiva is after buying a new car, and there's like some pull-out picnic table in it, so sure handy out. And someone was walking past, and when they heard me say a car to pull-out picnic table, they stopped and was like, "Are you talking about Shiva?" And we were like, "What? Yeah, how do you know?" And he's like, she'd be the only woman now who'd be, like, no, she loves that kind of crack. But she come off for like bringing a really nice packed, like she'll have a really bougie packed lunch. She'll bring a picnic basket and have like a bottle of Prosecco. Do you know, like, so she come on, girl, and you have to be gama to like make it nice. You know what I mean? Whereas I just wouldn't. And
also, they're wired differently. Like, I think if I'm like tugging sus and it's like I'm going away for a weekend to do Rodeg and Tath, it's going to have to be almost luxurious or feel like something that I need to do. I do not, if I am switching off, like, I don't want any jobs. At all, let alone fucking sticking poles into what, just trying to set something up now. I would be more stressed than relaxed, Jane, for the immersion.
I'm somewhere in the middle now, because I know you love, like, if you were going away.
I think you, in theory, would like this. I think if you found a massive like mountainy man, and he was whisking you up a mountain, like, set up my poles,
absolutely, yeah,
you'd love the job.
Oh yeah, no, if he was assembling the tent, no bother. I'd sleep in it. I'd sleep in it, no bother. But I'm just not going to actively.
No, do you know what third would do? You'd be like kindling up a fire, and you'd be. I could actually see you. You'd be a wild woman like that.
Yeah, I'd love a camper van. I've often toyed with the idea of getting a camper, and I've been so close loads of times, and then I'm like, I can't like drop all this money on a camper van. But they will be a great job. But anyway, churmer mach call out níos luha Lou go around camping disasters. Right. Agus hána couple of canisteach, so dúirt in bhain chamachara aníos taobh stig den bpuball agus cúigear going on. No chodal mo taobh mo.
But what, like ag failing or they can?
Yeah, must have been a failure. Like, oh Jesus, you wouldn't it be desperate now? Damn, they go fluch. At least if it was warm, you're all right.
Yeah,
I know. Good. Sorry, nothing can justify that now for me.
And what do you do again shin? Like, are you like the smell of vom is just
smell of vom? Is there anything to be said for just like everybody drive? If you're all driving somewhere, why don't you all just drive there and sleep in your car? That's surely more comfortable than.
Dane and Dini shin a electric picnic, but then you're just so far away from the action and being on buzz. The campsite, you know? Like, I just think. Má tá tú na n-oíche like the glamping or coming your tent to set up, do you know, na cín atá. But then like an chéine, like you've the argument, I'm not spending that much time in it, and then there's people who just are really good, all their friends will set up shop like around each other, and it's great crack, like, you know, take them McFailty Kjol, but getting sick in the tent is a no. Okay. Peeing in the little porch part of the tent is acceptable if you don't want to go all the way to the porch.
It depends on who you're like sharing the tent with now. I wouldn't mind doing that if I was sharing the tent with you. But if I was,
you can zip the little porch area. You can zip the people in so they don't have to see you pee.
So no, hang on a minute.
And you can just pee on the grass.
No, I wouldn't mind doing that. If
not a smelly pee, just a watery pee.
Around bubble, that'd be fine.
Yeah.
See that sexy man we were talking about earlier who might be assembling a tent for me? No, I'm not doing that.
I bet you he'd stick his willy out into the porch and pee there.
He wouldn't, because I wouldn't be getting into a tent with a man now who'd be at that crack. Come on. You have to have, pissing outside where you're going to be sleeping, and then it gets so hot in a tent in the morning. Good luck. Do you know who wouldn't put up with that now?
Who?
Charlene Mosley. Not a fucking chance. No.
Yeah, but she's so fast she could run to the toilet. She run to the Portugal in 5 seconds. So on Dinner Show says, I planned a camping trip with my friends the day we finished our exams a few years ago. We set up a tent and we were having a few drinks. The crack was 90 and the weather was stunning. Woke up the next morning to a wet patch directly outside the door of our tent that had seeped in and soaked one of the girls' bags. Turns out one of my friends, I won't name them, was getting up in the middle of the night and pissing directly outside the door of the tent without thinking about where the pee was going to end up. I haven't camped since. Well, don't obviously look at the fall of ground. Don't pee down the hill. Like, go to the other side of it and pee down the other way. But use a small bit of logic.
There's just, do you know what I often think? Do you ever fail a kill, right? If you have to sneak out, do you know the way sometimes if you're you have to get up in the middle of the night and have to do a wee, but you don't want to go all the way to the portalays. So you might sneak a wee outside the tent or something, and then you're down on your hunkers, like praying to God nobody walks past.
Yeah.
And I often think, like, well, I've never caught anyone in the act, but like, imagine just like a fully grown woman and her bare arse sticking out, and like, do you know, like, gas.
I know, but like, if you ever, we've spoken about this like Erin Pod Hannafane, but like the wilderpeas, you know, if you're like
The wilderpeas,
coming down the road and you need to pull in.
Yeah, but that you've got some kind of fun and son, you know. Whereas when you're out on the
Yeah.
tents, so I actually have to say now, do you know, you have to give your friend a break. It's the fear of. I've often jumped out there now at Larnaheha and trying to go for a little wee and just be like, I want to be as quick as possible, as inconspicuous as possible, but I'm out in the open here and I'm just, you know.
Yeah, and like, I mean, look, she got stung there with the fact that the
She
bee
did.
was flowing backwards and wetting the bags. Not great. Look, I would just say, you know, aren't you lucky she wasn't taking a shit? Like, that would be a whole other situation.
Do you know when I was walking the Camino, when I was walking the Camino, people were shitting along the side of the road.
Yeah.
And do you know what's even
Oh,
worse
how
about
have we
that?
gotten to Poogate? Like,
I know, sorry, but I'll finish up on this.
with outdoorsiness though comes these are real.
I'd actually rather never hike again than shit outside. Sorry, no, disgusting. So,
like,
no, this is another thing. This is they used to do at Erin Camino. You'd know that people had just pooed alongside of the whatever, the ditch, because bheith pápar leithris in the Doireann fucking road. If you're gonna do it, like, I can't imagine
covered
carrying
with
the-
grass or dock leaves or
Yeah.
something. Yeah.
But also like littering your dirty pooey toilet paper. Yuck, yuck, yuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, not great.
Like, look, Níliscum.
Nearly-
Níliscum, because I suppose if the thing is, like, if you need to go,
yeah,
you know what I mean? You need to go.
you need to go.
Do you
I
ever
know.
see the GA players when they need to pee on the pitch?
No,
Like
what
at
do
a
they
big
do?
championship match, no?
No, what?
Did you ever see this?
No,
I'm giving away state secrets here now.
go on.
Am I?
No.
So apparently, you know, they'll go into a huddle and
Yeah.
the lads will huddle around. One fella will go down on one knee and pull his willy outside his shorts and pee onto the pitch. Like, they'll pee. You know, if you need to go
Yeah,
and like
yeah,
the
yeah.
match is going to start in a few seconds, like, you're not going to be like, sorry, ref, could I just nip in there to the Laris? So you do. Like, now I don't know if you needed
That's
to do an Ivor,
hilarious.
though. Would it be a
Would you do-
scale L, I suppose? But
Oh my god! Well, imagine before like a big
You'd see-
match, surely they're all shitting themselves. Like,
well, I'd say sometimes I'm getting sick and all these kind of things, but sure, that's a whole other situation with nerves. Can you imagine
Yeah.
walking in a crow park in front of 8,000 people
yeah.
and the biggest day of your life? But it's Queenlum, cúpla of Leon I can't remember when, and Declan said to me, you had pointed this out, and ever since now, I guarantee you'll be the same. You'll see it from now on.
That is so funny.
But of course.
Of course, no, of course, yeah,
Do
of
you know what I mean?
course, yeah.
Do a quick little whittle. I'd be nervous peeing left, right, and centre if I was there in
girl,
the park.
absolutely, Kate Fingal.
As you know, Doireann was gonna
As
say,
I know,
don't
Louise.
I
Sorry,
have a nervous fear.
there's no crankier beast than Louise when if she gets the urge to go to the toilet and there's
Yeah.
not a toilet within reach. She gets she's really in a blind panic.
Yeah, I do.
You're in a blind panic.
Well, because, right, and I'll normalise this line of conversation. Do you know that apparently 1 in every 3 Irish women suffer with some form of incontinence in their 30s, from their 30s on? The stat is so high and people don't talk about it. And I still think that we, like, you know, I actually think there's nothing worse than needing to go and not being
torture.
free through.
Yeah. Jeez, 1 in 3.
There's a really high statistic now. Caimé sinna heicáil really a bheith gar, but tá an stats on or altogether. Yeah, you'd be surprised.
Gee, Mac.
Like, yeah, and even women who haven't had babies, women who, you know.
Yeah. God, okay.
So we should all do our Kegels, girls.
I'll do the Kegels. Okay, Damien, will we do one more piece of correspondence because Tosca will go me to
Yeah, go
Rihamachas okay. Bhí me sa scouts a fásan ísachs orháin chumargadí Ardanzai I Minea Doireann ihe agus níor vis goin go raibh na táid chohard seo ag a trí armadan. Bhí ar an dúiseacht chun trench I dhéanamh le spád so na bpuball wouldn't drown agus an son nar rushimar sa bhadan bhí footprints of rats agus foiáin I ngach ile áit and our food was attacked. Traumatised. Sorry. Rats fucking freak me out.
New Aurach actually the Dani Vinish agus Declan go in Central Park and ride across us.
Oh, it's
Shot
disgusting.
a big black rat with a big
tail
there.
Stuart Little himself.
well, no, thought she'd massive.
Thought
Like.
she'd massive.
Yeah, the
no,
rats
they're
in New
just and
Aurach
they're
are like
vicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, not great. Not great.
Not
That's
great at
actually
all.
enough to turn me off a campáil. Anyway, listen, we'll just plough on.
But fog, like, fog DMs or not DMs, there's fog comments there.
Yes.
If you're campers, like, and you love it, why? Could they on road? Is it like running? Do you get a camping high at some point? Do you have to do it and get really good at it? And then eventually you're like, oh, rather be níos fearr ná
Yes.
I don't mohu concha.
Okay.
There
Yeah.
might be something. Do you
That's
know what I
actually
mean?
similar, like a runner's high, similar
Yeah.
to the runner's high.
I'm
I
sure
would
you
get,
know
like,
all about it.
I'd know all about
Our
that.
seasoned
Yeah, me see.
runner
Yeah,
here,
runs
right?
110k. Yeah, and tells you about it 4 times on the podcast. Just but as long as if you take nothing else home from this episode, it's just to know that
take it home in her Lululemons.
yeah, myself.
But yeah, I imagine that happens. Like maybe you become, maybe it's addictive
Yeah.
to camp. You know, you get all the
Shitting
good
outside,
spots,
like,
and then you
You
get.
get a real high from taking a shit outside.
Listen, I'm
Listen,
sure it's a genre.
However, whatever floats
It's a
your
niche.
boat.
Yeah.
Okay, tá quiz on a happy gum dit Lou.
Right.
We're going to test now to see how
Okay.
long you'd survive in the outdoors without me. Okay, Louise, what's the first priority to find in wilderness survival?
Ishka. Ding, ding,
Shelter.
ding.
No, shelter. Shelter.
Sure, what good is shelter when you're dehydrated?
Ah,
How
but
long are we out in the wilderness for?
But sure, you're
One
lost.
night, like.
Sure, it depends on how good you are at this quiz or how quickly you're found. If you're a disaster, you're fucked. You're
Okay,
gonna die.
sorry.
Yeah, so
okay,
this
okay.
is so things are not looking good for you because you've no shelter now, right?
But
So-
at least I'm going to stay alive with the Ishka.
okay, well, how many days on average will a human survive gone ishke?
Oh, is it? It's not 5 or 6 days.
3 law,
days
girl.
only.
3 law. Okay, girl.
Sorry, says I. 5 or 6 days, like in what world? Oh, 3 law, yeah.
We're at this. So the Kerry question, so and you've already whittled your chances down to only 50% survival chance here now.
True,
right?
I'm not doing very well.
Right, foraging. Okay, you're foraging. You've no shelter, but you're foraging now to see if you can get something to eat
Yes.
for yourself. Right? You find some acorns.
Yeah.
Can you eat them?
You need to like break into them, don't you? You see the squirrels breaking the
Oh
acorns.
yeah. No, well, there's a kind of no campáil,
Oh.
and then a steak. Snuck no campáil.
Yeah.
Well,
I think
Cadden
you can't do
rud.
British doctor though. Can you just? What are you going to tell me? You can't eat the acorns anyway. I wouldn't go fucking foraging for acorns. I'd be looking for berries, or I'd be eating
berries.
dandelions, or like wild garlic, or what else grows in Ireland? Like
Nettles.
nettles. I'd be flat out in the nettles.
Okay.
That'd be good now. That is good.
So wait, what time is it? Did have cno campáil a shan acorn, but cadden rud timpler and cno campáil a rish. Like an
On clúdach or whatever.
Yeah,
it's
an
like on
clúdach.
shell. It's the
Yeah.
That's the acorn shell. I don't know.
anyway.
You see the squirrels break into it. Anyway, you just get into the inner.
Well. Anyway, if you fought my hagen turner cno campáil, you have to boil them. Now I don't know how you're going to boil them because you've no water.
I do have water.
Oh, you've
I got water inside a
perfect.
shelter.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Acorn
so, you're
soup.
so you're up to 25% survival right here. Okay. Lee in the Barney. Leaves of tree. Like if they have 3 little stubs on it, like like the Sula shamrock.
Leaves of tree fingers. Leaves of
Leaves
tree.
of tree. This is
Yeah.
like a rule.
Okay,
like when
okay.
you see leaves of tree, leave them be. Don't be foraging leaves of tree.
Anava.
No. So now you know, Lou.
Right, they're in grills.
So they're
Carbohydrates.
girls perfect. After
Yeah.
once I complete running,
Yeah,
I'm gonna just
There's not a wild space.
Safe in Ireland.
Safe in Ireland. Yeah, would you like I'm a Celeb, Get Me Out of Here, the Irish edition, and send them all up to like the Wicklow Mountains.
perfect.
And
Yeah.
Doireann can present it.
Yeah, perfect.
Now, according to Gael, leaves of tree, leave them be.
Now they're
Diddly,
right self, right self. There's just there you go.
Someone pitch it. Is
They're pictures. Okay, glúis na seachtainna seo.
that the quiz?
Been in quiz, yeah.
Did I survive?
You've 25% survival rate,
rate.
so there you go. And yeah, so we'll see what your chances are next week now. if you get locked out somewhere between here and Stephen's Green. Okay, fiantas is wilderness.
Yeah.
So sin mahan must have fiantas.
Yeah.
Einrod Gurval at Curlash.
Yeah. Tashley is an explorer.
Tashkili, yeah, explore Anava. Cno Capwil is acorns. Spaisteoireacht.
Anava.
Antu dul spaisteoireacht.
You're off exploring.
Ma hatu dulsus coner no is like a track or a trail.
Anava,
It's all about the branding, girl.
I like this inception that's happening
Yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah,
Connor will shake tachter in television.
I want to say Friday week. Nima Kinta. I like Kerma
Well,
says her
I
Instagram.
wish I'd Delamach or Nina.
I think so. Like a
Excellent.
shaft club,
So
yeah.
now I'm going to do a double promo here. If you're in the market for something outdoorsy, travel inspired, tracks and trails, whatever it is, you can get your Thursday night fix RTX Tashel or
right.
TG Car August and Shin Nina. Swap over RTE TV1. What the fuck's it called?
RT1.
Sorry, RT1.
TV1.
I was thinking radio one if we can.
Yeah.
TV1, and you can be tracking and trailing then on the Friday for fuck's sake. For all
Why'd you ever leave the
we're
house?
so outdoorsy.
We are so outdoorsy. Sorry, lads.
outdoorsy.
Me and Louise are outdoorsy, so you don't have to be. You can just sit on the couch and watch it.
Yeah, do you want to know Keiko outdoorsy that I'm going to be on
Go on,
Doireann show?
Tell me.
I'm fucking tracking and trailing up Niagara Falls.
Oh, excuse
Sorry.
me. Is that
No.
one of the wonders of the world?
Yeah,
Anava.
especially when I'm there.
Oh, go on, Gael. She's there. There she is shitting outside. There's in a bath.
Yes.
And Niagara Falls. I
Tune
wasn't
in
shat
to
on
see
by the
did
way.
I or did I not
Can't shit outside.
No, do you know what you do in Niagara Falls? You go under it.
Oh, right. Can't
you
go
go-
over it. Have to go over it.
Well, I suppose you could. We went under it on a boat, and you get soaked to your skin to the
you?
point that like you get. Well, obviously, I suppose it's a big old ass that's raining down.
Yeah.
So you do, but we were so like it is in America, half Canada. It's on the
Okay.
border there. Do you know that Toronto shares its border with upstate New York? So half of the Niagara Falls are in upstate New York, and the other are in Toronto.
Mad.
And like I love how. Well, I don't know if I love it. This is a whole debate in and of itself, but how Americans will, take a wonder of the world like this and really capitalize it and turn it into a tourist trap, right?
it's
So it
capitalism,
was
baby.
like zip line across the Niagara Falls from Canada to America, and you zip across. And I have to say now, I was like, that's so stupid. That's so stupid. Until
You loved it.
watch the Fogar that's going around to the car and zipping down, having a ball. Highly recommend.
Ah, fair play.
So come on,
So Yop na Seachtainna is Tex Tashel, Tráthnónaí agus Tracks and Trails.
Agus
Oh
Tracks
my
and
god, and
Trails,
they're
yeah.
TT.
TT. Oh my God, hilarious.
Sorry, ridiculous.
Now, there you go. We've you sorted. Jesus, you'll be fair sick of us.
You'll be fair sick of us.
Tuesday for the pod, Thursday, Friday for the
I
television.
know.
Anava.
Yacht na Seachtainna, no World Cup summer the eile.
Yeah.
Oh my god, sorry. I really bought into that now.
I know, we should actually.
Oh, bhí me
Dakar
pre-brushed
on
those.
fish,
Yeah, bhí sé
yeah.
anna yacker. But look,
Don
I was just going to say, thank God for the hurling.
Sinead, yeah. Oh my God, Donegal. Sorry, Orna, what the fuck? 3 goals at Ghrian and A are Octoon League final.
Yeah, no, Niach.
Merciful Lower. Now, Michael Murphy should have gotten a red card. That was a red card all day long.
Well, Sinead Wenge ar feag na Seachtainna Chorda. Slán!